You might have to unlock it first, or lock it and then unlock it and then open the door. Here, let me grab that.
There you go.
Give me a little video. Give me some video action. Every once in a while, you got to remember your homies. Hey Ed, remember this car? You remember this piece of shit? You remember this hunk of junk? Fuck this car. Fuck this Pontiac. Yeah! I think Corey wants to take a turn. Yeah.
Feels good, man.
Fuck General Motors. Yeah, buddy. More coming soon. Woo! Okay, let's not make too much of a mess in the yard here. Well, Ed, it is time for you to say goodbye to this Pontiac. Same for Jennifer. This thing has been a headache for me. Not from one, but two different owners. There he goes, working his magic. Maybe. Maybe he will today. Them big old chompers. Bye-bye, PontyHack. Oh, crush it. It's definitely never going to be a car again. Its destiny is Budweiser cans. Oh, he's going to put it in a dumpster. Oh, no, he's not.
You got all excited there for a minute.
It's a broom. Oh, shit. Oh, man, your car is a broom. Son of a bitch. That's fucking epic, yo. Best use for a General Motors product ever.